Children? Okay. Do you know what you are going to do? Christmas tree. Okay, take that ice cream stick. You have one color. What is that color? Yes, you are going to color that stick with the brown color. Start doing it. Start doing it. Take the color and color it. Yes, very good. Yes, finished? And now take the stick. Now take the stick. Yes, keep it here and paste it. Paste it. And take another stick. Just wait, I will come. Take stick there. Stick it properly. Very good. Little down, little down, little down, down. Little down. Okay? Press it now. Good, good. Good. Now take the stick and stick there. Good. Let it dry. Don't touch it. Let it dry. Don't touch it. Finished, children? Okay, what is that in your hand? Star. Okay, now stick the star on the top of the tree. Very good. Very good. Finished? Very nice. Isn't it? Yes, color that with the brown color. Color that stem. Show me. Wow. Super. Very nice. Turn it. What is this? What is this? Do you like it? Okay.